How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. It wasn't actually a bad day in the market. I did have some issues with my trade day account and with my Elite Trader funding. One of them got blown. I got the other one up. We are, how much are we away? We're like $200 away from getting it up over. But the other one, the trade day we had up, Take Profit Trader we had up, and the Elite Trader funding, the other one we had up, and this dump just got taken out. I kept thinking it was going to get a little pop here, here, and it didn't. I should have just stayed. I was short up here after the opening range breakout. I should have just stayed short. My trade day, I tried the 30-second opening candle breakout, and that failed. And I was in 4 contracts, so that's what took that one out. But, so the other one was fine. The Elite Trader funding one, the first one, we only went in 2 micros, made it 300 in no time. You know what I mean? I should have just stayed with 2 micros, especially in this volatility. But I went larger at the open, and then with the Elite Trader funding, I went larger again, the other one. So that's what took me out. So you got to be so careful. You know what I mean? When you're trading all this craziness, that's all it is, really, right? Like, it'll dump now. Like, the reason why I was looking for it to come down here, and it's going to come down here, it's going to come down to 23,773s, because that's 50% in the daily candle, and there's a high probability it's coming down there. I knew that, but I figured those spots where I was looking at here, I figured it was going to give us a bounce, maybe, and especially here, come back up and touch this wick on this green candle, but it didn't do it. So unfortunately we had a few fool ups, but like I said, Elite Trader funding one, we got one more day left on that, and that's done. So that'll be good, but just unfortunate. You know, when the market's this volatile, it's almost better after the opening range breakout to stay in with 2 micros, because, you know, when it dumps that fast, like, you're just making money. Like, I was only looking to make 500 in other account, and we were up, I think, 200 or 300, and then it just started wicking down so fast that there was nothing I could do about it. So, and every time I tried to get in for a little pullback, it'd go up a little bit, and then it come down again really quick. So that's all you can do. But hopefully you had a better day. If you need any accounts to Take Profit Trader, please use my code JW. I really appreciate it. 40% off, no activation fee, and your retest costs back after you get your first payout. So it's really good now. It's a really good time to get them. Load up on them now, because I think it's only for, I believe it's 10 days. I'm not 100% sure. But if that was me, I would be trying to load up on them now. I'm going to start getting some myself. Thank you to everybody using the code. I really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. You know who you are. Small code, get you right back to trading. JW. It's pretty quick. But yeah. So that's it for me today. Little bit of a crappy day, but also a good day. So we got one more day on our Elite Trader funding, so it is what it is. But yeah, I definitely think, now it's not financial advice obviously, but to me, we're coming down to the 23,076 area down here in this order block, because that's 50% of the daily range. So I would think if I was a betting man, which obviously I am, that's where I think we're headed. But then I'd be looking for a bounce probably down around that area, unless it keeps dumping. And now look, it's bouncing right now, right? That's what I was looking for. Literally, this right here is what took me out. Excuse me, and that's what I was looking for right here. So we're probably going to come back up to the 200s here. And that's what I was trying to catch from the 50s. I was looking for a move back up to the 200 area. You know what I mean? And now, it might not continue. It might just trap more people. But I think it pushes back up to that fair value gap on the 5-minute, but it is what it is, right? So, anywho, like I said, please use code JW. Have a good day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.